excited to show you the latest kit that I am making for Button Farm Club. This is my March quarterly card kit subscription club. So if you're subscribed to the club, you'll automatically get this kit. If you're not subscribed and we have kits left over, once all the club members, you can also order this. But this is so perfect for spring and Mother's Day. I can't wait to share this with you. This is Carta Bella's Flower Garden, and I am absolutely in love with this collection. The colors, the patterns, it is just the sweetest. Look at these wellies with flowers coming out the top. Just beautiful, beautiful, wonderful sentiments, wonderful images. And this time we're going to try something a little different. I'm pretty excited about this. Carta Bella has just come out with what they call their 6x6 mega pad. And there are 48 sheets in here. And there are solids and there are patterns. So this is perfect. Did you see these bees? I can't stand it. So this is perfect for card making, and I'm really excited about this. Then to go along with this, you're going to receive in your kit the Coordinating Solids paper pack, which has 6 12x12 sheets that are perfectly color matched to this collection. So that's pretty cool. You're also going to get the Frames and Tags ephemera, which have all these great frames and tags. And then the chipboard pieces, so we can add lots of dimension to our card making. So I love that. Now, to embellish, we're going to get 2 yards of this gorgeous bay leaf seam binding. You're going to get 8.5 yards of thread, and I have mine wound on a little spool. Yours comes packaged differently, but I took mine out of the package to work with and wound it on this little spool so that I don't end up with knots. And then look at this. You get this package of 28 little birdie flowers. Are these not? And they're so pretty with this collection. I'm excited. And then 6 beautiful little mother of pearl buttons. You're also going to get 5 sheets of 12x12 cream cardstock for making card bases. We're going to make a little mini folio in with this kit as well. So it's going to be really fun. I've been planning the kit for weeks now, and I'm very, very excited about how beautiful it's going to be. And if you'll hang around for a bit, I will come back and show you what we're going to be making. All right, I'm back to show you what we're going to be making, but before I do that, I have kind of an exciting announcement. Sometimes things happen, people. And when Button Farm Club had Carta Bella drop ship the supplies for this kit to me, they were supposed to include in my package 5 sheets of 12x12 cardstock from this collection, in addition to everything else that I just showed you, but they didn't. So I snagged these pieces out of my own personal kit. I did not realize this until yesterday that this had happened after I'd already finished everything in the kit. But you will be getting 5 bonus sheets of paper to do whatever you want with. They're these wonderful journal card papers in 12x12. So these will be bonuses in your kit that you can either substitute the images from here, or, you know, guys, there's enough in here to do a folio. You'll get the 3x4 cards, which you can see I have already used in some of my projects. This was my personal collection. You're going to get these sweet little tags. So there's enough in here to do a bunch more cards. And it will also make it really easy for you to complete this kit. You won't have to worry about running out of paper. So you can decorate the insides of some of the cards that we left a little bit blank. You can make duplicates of the cards that I show you how to make, but you're going to get 5 additional pieces of 12x12 paper, which is sweet any way you slice it. So now onward to look at what we're going to make. We're going to start with making these adorable pleated skirt cards. These are so fancy and so darling, and I think you're going to really enjoy adding this technique to your toolbox. And as you can see, these papers just make the most gorgeous cards. Then we're going to do, I like to always put a little folio in the kits. So this is a little 5x7 card folio with lots of the sweet chipboards on the front, and then the inside has this fantastic pull-out with room for 10 photos. One of them is actually a huge photo. And then a fun little flip pocket page with a little mini 3.5-inch folio in there. These are blank on the inside for photos or journaling. And then another one on the inside. And then a waterfall feature with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a little pocket in here for you to tuck mementos or a gift in. So this would make the sweetest Mother's Day gift, or beautiful for a bridal shower, a housewarming, anything like that. Then if you like pop-up cards, we've got those too. Ta-da! Multi-level pop-up cards, which are really fun to make. So you're going to learn how to do those. And they have a little pocket, so you can turn them into a gift. Here's the second one. Just so fun to have these pop up when you open the card. And then we're going to make these really wonderful trifold design cards. Look how these open out. So fun. And there's a little hidden section here with pockets to tuck in tea bags or gift cards or whatever. Room here to write your sentiments. So there's 2 of those. This is a fun design. You will like learning how to make this, and I think you'll use it a lot. So there's that. Then we're going to make, slimline cards are all the rage right now. So we're going to make 2 that are kind of what I call a mosaic tile style. One is for a wedding, and there's a gift card pocket here. And the other is good for just all occasion, also with a gift card pocket here. And this is one of those cards where you could use those extra papers to add more to the inside. Then this might be my favorite design out of the entire kit. This is called, they call it a pyramid card, but I call it like a Harry and David card. You know how they give you those gift towers of boxes of goodies? That's what this is. This is so fun to open. And I think you're going to love making it. Each little opening has a little pocket for you to tuck something in. As you can see, like room for a gift card or a little monetary gift or a little note. And it just keeps going and going. There's the pocket here. And then this is the base. So with a large pocket and tag. This is a blast to make, you guys. And I predict that once you learn how quick and easy it is to make these, you will be making tons of them because they are very impressive to present and loads of fun to open. And so this will be a good one to add to your crafty toolbox. And then the final thing we're going to make is this really fun double pocket tag card. This is amazing and lots of possibilities here. You're going to actually make 2 2x6 tags that fit inside this really neat double pocket design. And I think this is another one that you will want to make a lot of because it's great for gifting. And you can actually tuck a gift card in. Of course, the black backs are blank so that you can write messages there. But that is the kit. You can order yours today at Button Farm Club. As I said before, if you're already a member of the Kathy by Design Quarterly Card Club, you do not need to order. Yours will automatically be sent to you. But if you are not subscribed to the kit, you can go ahead and subscribe. That way you're always guaranteed to get a kit when they are released. And if there are extra kits left after all the subscriptions, and the subscription club is growing month by month, it's pretty exciting. They'll send you one. Anyway, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, Button Farm Club. I can't wait. Can't wait for you to make this kit. It is super fun. All right, guys, make the world more beautiful. Get your craft on. Bye.